Governor Yong Hee. Thank you, sir, for reading that governor notification. Ban kipai ba das nyau hi wa yagatu gajing pure kayong sir J.E. Masar ban ngek skami wa kani ka office ukre pha ka nei pentai Yong Phi yo yarap ye phi ha kaduk kasuk ka Yong Phi bat yo penku ya ka yo ka kot ka Yong Phi bat yo ro yo par kani ka chnong ka thau ka Yong Phi. The Klempen Slam. Now, without any further ado, may I have the honor to request our honorable Chief Guest, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, along in the presence of Honorable Cabinet Minister, Commerce and Industry Department, Shri Snyao Phalangdhar, and in the presence of Shri Honorable MLA Sutunga Saipung Assembly Constituency, Shri Shetlang Pale, accompanied by our respected Deputy Commissioner Banarwal IAS, Deputy Commissioner East Jaintia Hill, and all the district heads and community representatives to come down and unveil the flag to mark the inaugurations of the Lumshnong CNRD block. JAC member, yes.
My colleague in the cabinet and the Honorable Minister in charge of Commerce and Industries and other departments, Masna Balangdhar, our local MLA of Sutunga Saipung constituency, Shetlang Pale, all our respected MDCs of the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, all the leaders of the Joint Action Committee who are present out here today, including the chairperson, including all the members, our local leader, Kong Santa Mary Shilang, all our former MLAs and former MDCs, and all the citizens of this constituency, and most importantly, all the people who will be falling under this new CNRD block that we have inaugurated today, the Lumshnong CNRD block. At the very outset, I would like to thank God Almighty for giving us this beautiful day. Iba beton lang nadu kini ke ar laisngi bat hadu unta kapol bat beton lang bat ngi hakini ke program tabangidon menta.
Yang train hop ship hop mentala yo da itai matem hop dan jing bandin yang mentala yo you so yang kajing ya ron ciku play ya bi nan po dar area joint action committee la tola